Welcome to my channel, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to collect all those flower square together. If you haven't learned about this flower square, you can find it in my channel. I will also put a link in the pinned comment. First, let me show you how to collect with one square. Wrap the yarn on your finger like that. You just crochet like normal, which I show you in the other video. After you made a magic circle, crochet 8 sets of 1 double crochet and chain 1. So 1 double crochet, chain 1. We need 8 sets in total. Like I said from the previous video, I show you how to crochet this square. You crochet like normal until you finish the bubble. Now you pull the yarn about 2 centimeters and hold the thumb and crochet 1 single crochet. Now you stop here. It's time to connect to the other square. You just made one big circle, which is the corner of the square. So you find this point from other square. There's a single crochet in the middle of 2 big circles. Pull the yarn through, make a single crochet, and you continue to crochet the big circle. So pull the yarn about 2 centimeters long and make 1 single crochet, and back here to make another bubble. You just crochet like normal. The only thing is you just need to collect to the other side. When you finish the bubble, now it's a small circle after a bigger circle. And in this point, you are going to connect to the other one, the single crochet between 2 small circles. Insert the hook in that single crochet stitch. Pull the yarn through, make 1 single crochet, and back to make the rest of the small circle. So you just made a 2 collect point. Back to this way to make another bubble. You made big circle, small circle. Now it's time for big circle. So pull the yarn about 2 centimeters long. You just make it big circle like normal, and collect to the single crochet on the stitch on the other side. Insert the hook to the single crochet stitch and make 1 single crochet. After connect, come back to make a big circle again. So now you just connect to 1 square and crochet the rest as normal. Following, I'm going to show you how to collect 2 squares at the same time. There are 5 points you need to connect while you crochet the square. When you collect to 1 square, you connect 3 points. When you collect 2 squares at the same time, you connect 5 points. So same again, you crochet like normal until you finish 1 big square. And let's connect to the corner of this square. So find a middle stitch of 2 squares. Make 1 single crochet. Pull the yarn about 2 centimeters long. Make a single crochet there. And back to make 1 bubble. Last one was big circle, so this is a small circle. Make one small circle and connect to the middle of the other square. Same, find a stitch between two small circles and make one single crochet and back to make another small circle and back to make a bobble. The following one would be big circle, which is corner. So make a big circle first and find the middle stitch here. Loosen the hook and make one single crochet and followed by big circle again and back to make a bobble. Last one was big circle, this one will be small circle. So make one small circle and find the middle stitch of the small circle for the other square. Make another small circle and back to make bobble stitch again. Followed by the big circle and find the middle stitch of the big circle for the other square. Make one single crochet and continue to make the other big circle and make bobble again. So far we already finished collect 2 squares at the same time, and the rest of the square you just need to crochet as normal. But if there's another square on this side, you just do the same. Finish one circle and connect to the other square, and the rest just crochet like normal. One big circle, 2 big circle, back to make a bobble. So I'm not talking about details here because you've learned all these from the other videos. This video is only about joining. So if you find it's hard to understand from this video, please check out the other video first. You need to learn how to make the square first and then watch this video to learn how to join. So this is how you join this lace square together. Thank you for watching. See you next time.